Hey Foodie Chef Pete here today, and I'm heating up the grill. And you know what? I'm gonna make some grilled pork chops with some beautiful grilled potatoes and some grilled veggies, okay? So let's get started. And I'm gonna get started with the potatoes. I've got them here. We're gonna get them on our grill. What I did is I took some red potatoes and I cut them really super thin. And I've got them on the grill here. We need to get them moving around here a little bit. And I'm gonna season these. And what I wanna do is get these cooked up and pushed to the side. And let's start by getting them all kind of spread out there a little bit. All right. There we go. Okay. And then what I'm going to do here is I want to get some oil on it. So I'm going to give it a little olive oil here. Let's give it some olive oil. You can spray olive oil or you can do like I'm doing. I'm just drizzling it right on, right? And then I think I need a little salt today. There's a little salt on there. And some garlic powder. And you can make these any way your family likes them. This is how we like them, with a little Italian Greek twist. And some nice oregano. Okay. And then I'm gonna give it just a little bit of black pepper across here, just for a little zing. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna get these going. And what I'm gonna do is get them going pretty good here. And I'm gonna turn around here and find my pork chops. Here they are. And let's get our pork chops on here, okay? There's one. And now what I did is I had a couple of beautiful center cut loin ones, and I pounded them a little bit here. But you don't have to pound them. If you don't like them pounded, don't pound, right? Okay? All right. I pounded them. And then a little salt. A little pepper. Put some pepper on them. Right? Okay. Some garlic. Pork likes garlic. There's garlic, okay, and some oregano. We're gonna keep it with a Mediterranean blast here today, okay. All right, now we're gonna let these go for a few minutes and then I'm gonna flip them over. In the meantime, let's take a look at these potatoes here. Oh, they're going nice. Let's just sort of hear them sizzling. They're nice and getting good there. All right, we're gonna keep moving them around on our grill here, our griddle grill, beautiful grill. And these are red potatoes and I've cut them thin, so we'll let them cook a little bit here. Keep them spread out so they do their thing. There we go. If you want to move these along faster, you can cover them. You know, get a lid. I'm going to get some lids from this, and the next few times we do this, we're going to have some lids here, and I'll show you how to just cover it. But these are cooking really well, and maybe just a tad more olive oil, I think, on here, just a little bit, so we have a nice olive oil taste. You don't have to use a lot. The grill does the whole thing. Now, if you're looking at the chops over here, my God, they're going good here right now. And let's take a look under here and see what it's doing. Oh, yeah, he's starting to cook. Oh, yeah, we're going good here. All right. And I think I'm going to just take that up just a hair higher here. All right, so we're going to let these cook a little bit. They're starting to cook. And we're going to flip them. It depends on how you like them. I like to cook the pork chops through, so they're nice and white and still juicy, okay? So what you can do is, if you get a little bit ahead of what you're doing here, like the pork, you can put that in your little oven or your warming oven, and you can hold them until you're ready to finish your veggies and everything else, okay? And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna pull it out here and I'm gonna hold it here. All right, and our potatoes are going pretty good. I hear them sizzling. And you can add onions to your potatoes if you like. If you like potatoes with onions, or you don't have to add anything with them like I'm doing here, because we're going to get some nice grilled potatoes here going. There we go. And I wish I had smell tape here. Anthony doesn't have smell tape yet, but we've got some beautiful smelling potatoes going here. And let's take a look at come back here. See, the grilling is really easy. Grilling is really easy to do. I'm gonna flip him and then come back and flip him again. And it's okay to flip him. And then what we're gonna do is come here and we're gonna give it a little more oregano, a little bit of this pepper, and just a little salt. There, that's good. Okay. Now we're gonna let that go. We'll let this cook a little bit here. And we'll turn this one this way. And what I think I'm gonna do is just throw a lid on this. And I use a pie plan, it all does the same thing, and we'll let it steam its way to the end and get some nice char marks on that. So in the meantime, we'll come back to our potatoes. They're starting to look pretty good. You can give them a little paprika if you like. It helps to give it a little color. Just go easy, 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 easy. There, see how easy that is? Okay, now I'm gonna flip them. Oh yeah, there we go. Now for those of you that have never used a grill, you do need this is non-stick, this particular grill. And what you want to do is get yourself some of these non-stick, if you have non-stick pans, and you probably already have these implements, these, I call them spatulas, but they're, they're for, and I'm gonna pile this all up here.
Pancake flippers.
Yeah, pancake flippers, anything like that works. Okay, that's flat, that won't scratch things, right everybody? Okay, so let's just take this off for a minute. And what we'll do is take a look and see how this is doing. Oh, they're coming up nice now. Oh yeah. Okay. So these are ready. So what I'm going to do is put the lid back on them and turn the heat down. And then I'm going to pull them off of here in about 5 minutes and put them in the warming oven over there at 200. Okay? So now what I'm going to do while this is going on over here is I'm going to take these potatoes and let's see if we can't flip them some more here. Oh yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. I don't necessarily want to have them so brown that they're burnt, but I want them cooked, okay? And they're getting right where they need to be now because I cut them so thin. And what we'll do is we'll just pile them up over here. It's not going to hurt them any. We'll pile them up just like this and let them continue on to do their thing. And they're cooking really nicely. So now in the space I've made here, I'm going to add these veggies, and I'm going to get them here. I have some veggies, and what I want to do is just get these on the grill, and we're going to get them to do their thing here, just like this. There we go. Beautiful color these veggies are. Okay. I cut some different things here and mixed them all up so we have some different things. All right, now what I'm going to do with these veggies, I believe what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little oil to them and some salt. Let's get them seasoned up too. Let's get some salt on here. Let's get a little pepper. Okay, let's get a little garlic. I'm keeping the theme today, but you use whatever you guys like. Okay, and some oregano there. A little more oregano on our potatoes. There we go. Never hurts to give it a little oregano. Okay, so what I'm going to do on this side of the grill is I'm going to take off these chops. Look how they're beautifully steamed and done. Look at these, absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to set these. Actually, I think I can leave them here. They'll stay warm. They'll be fine. I'm not going to move them into the warming oven. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get these cooked up, and when we're done mixing and cooking and doing everything here, then we're going to come back and I'm going to show you how this all plates up, and we have a feast of pork chops, veggies, potatoes, all done with a grill. A simple grill in your kitchen, and keep it healthy. And I'm going to give this a little olive oil now, right here, just like this. And there we've got it, okay? All right, so this is Peter Carpizzo's, and we'll see you in a little while. In a little while, we're going to see you, and we'll plate this up, and we'll have a feast. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's making simple pork chops. Let me take the lid off so you guys can see it. Whoop. Hot, hot, hot. Simple pork chops. You see? Simply done. I didn't over grill mark them. I cooked them nice. If you want to really grill mark them, you can char them that way too. I didn't do that way today. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's trying to keep everything lean and mean. And we are always here for you. This is Peter Carpizzo's making another beautiful feast for us here at Carpizzo's Kitchen. Pete out.